Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. Let's take a look at our Bible verse for the week. Micah 6:8. He has shown you, O mortal, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly, and to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God. Just like always on Monday, find time today to write your Bible verse. And as you're writing, thinking about what the Bible verse means. We're going to read some stories this week that have to do with Jesus showing mercy to people in the Bible. We're going to read about a paralyzed man and a leper who Jesus showed mercy to and healed them. The Bible requires us to do the same, to love mercy, and also to walk humbly with God. So as you're writing your verse today, I want you to think about what those words mean, and we will talk about it more throughout the week. I'm excited to get to see everyone today. I hope everyone has a great Monday.